If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Anna and I am the owner of AnnaBatari.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be switching things a little bit up. So usually I'm doing DIY videos, but in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a unboxing slash review of this ring light that I got from Amazon. So this is a 19-inch LED ring light, LCD display, touchscreen with tripod stand, dimmable makeup selfie ring light for studio portrait, YouTube vlogs, video shooting with carrying bag and remote control. And I will also leave a link to this this ring light in the description. This ring light comes with an adjustable stand, 2 times adjustable phone holder, 1 tripod head camera holder, 1 phone holder, so it basically comes with 3 phone holders together. The ring light itself, a Bluetooth shutter, a remote control, a power cord, a carry bag, and 1 user manual. Saying the first ring light that I got it from eBay, and it was very cheap. It was under $100, and it lasted me for about 4 years or so, and I think it's about time to get a new one. So I did get a new one, and plus the light was acting up. Like, I would turn the dial, and sometimes it would turn on, sometimes it wouldn't. It's just, this is what it looks like. This is what comes in the box. It's 19 inches again. Oh, so it comes with the stand. Okay, I hate going through these because it feels like I'm a kid who doesn't know how to do anything, but I just need to take my time, you know. There we go. Okay, so stand, and I'm pretty sure since it comes with these 3 notches here, you can pull it up longer. Oh, okay, and then keep going. It's pretty long, if I do say so myself. Came with the remote. There are a couple features about this ring light that I personally love that my first one did not have. So the up and the down are for color temperature adjustment, and then the plus and the negative are for brightness adjustment. So you can go from white light to warm light. The back of this one, couple of my favorite features actually from this ring light that my old one did not have. As you can see here, it comes with 2 USB port for your phone charging. So I know there's so many times where I'm recording a video and my phone is about to die, and it's like I have to stop the whole video, record the phone to make sure it gets enough percentage, and it's like, you know, resume. But with this feature, you don't gotta go through that anymore. Okay, we don't gotta go through that. 2 adjustable phone holders and an additional phone holders, which makes it 3. Stretches. Okay. And then this part goes on top of that. And it also comes with Bluetooth shutter device, power cord, the carry bag, and a user manual. And a carrying for your shoulder for the carry bag. You know what's so crazy when you're looking for something and it's like right in front of your face and you just, whatever. Okay, so I was doing it right. I checked the manual. Basically what I'm gonna do is to make this a little bit easier on myself, I'm gonna screw this all the way off, insert it in there. That looks just like the picture, much better. And then I'm gonna just screw it right back on. Okay, obviously I'm screwing this wrong. I'm a right-handed person, so doing anything with your left hand is like a struggle. Well, for me anyways, it's a freaking battle. There we go. 1 step closer, y'all. 1 step closer. Okay. Bring this a little bit down. Okay. Why did my ring light just bother me? Like, what's going on? What's going on, y'all? Uno, dos, tres, right? We're just gonna insert it right on here because they made They literally made holes for it. That's one in here. Another one. This is the second one. You know, you're with your friends and you guys ever want to record a TikTok at once, this is the perfect feature in my opinion. Yes, I figured it out. So you see this part right here and you see this right here. Basically what you're gonna do is there's two ends to this. One is silver, one is a dark color. And you're gonna insert it at the bottom of this and spin it. So once it's inside, you're gonna attach this to here, right? Move this to the side, move that to the side. Damn, got me spinning for days. Oh, we got this, we got this, we got this, we got this. As you can tell, I'm a little bit excited to get a new ring light. Cause, I mean, who doesn't love a new ring light, y'all? I do. It's in there, it's in there. I'm not sure if you can see this here, but just bear with me. Like, okay, y'all see what it said? Oh, okay, so I just turned it off. I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to play with this. Turn it back on. It's 80%, 35%, 10%, which is pretty good for a 10%, you know? 5%, like, and you can, come on, don't play with this ring light. Don't play with them. Okay, so that's 5%, 10%, 15, 20, 25, 30, 50, 70, 75, 90, 95, 100. So this is a pretty bright ring light. So, okay, what is this doing? Oh, okay, so this is changing the color from white to warm. And then we're gonna go from warm to white. Okay, that's 52, 53. So far, I'm liking this ring light. I haven't seen any issues with it. It came with everything that I said it was going to come inside the package. I'm liking it. And I'm liking the fact that it comes with so many stuff in the bag, as in I can just charge my phone whenever, if it's dying or not during the recording. I'm just happy to have a new ring light, guys, because the other one, obviously you can tell it's not working. I will definitely leave the link to this ring light below, and I also got this ring light under $100. But with taxes and everything included, it was over $100. But the ring light itself, I believe, was like $97. With taxes and everything, it was like $110 maybe. I may be wrong, but with the taxes part. But the ring light itself was $97. The name again was Ito Light, and I will leave it down below. And I would like to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.